I'm Catherine, and this is my and my husband Tom's fostering journey. Tom worked in the police and I worked as a teaching assistant. I gave one-to-one support to all sorts of primary school children. Some of them were in foster families. I saw these children being moved from one family to another, and I could see the upset and distress it was causing them. It started to play on my mind and make me think, we have an empty house now that our children have grown up and moved out, and the support and structure to give these children a stable home. So why don't we bite the bullet and do it? We've been fostering for over 10 years now. Although Tom and I are a team, we couldn't do this without our local authority fostering team. We've built up a great relationship with our supervising social worker. Just knowing that she's at the end of the phone makes us feel we're not on our own. We're all in this together. We all just want the best for these children. We have 2 young girls with us at the moment, but our fostering journey began with Josh. Josh came to us when he was just 10 years old. He had a very troubled start in life. There was violence and he was neglected. It's a very difficult story to hear. Before he came to us, he'd been moved around different foster families. He just didn't have the stability or one person he could rely on. There were some really tough times in the beginning, but we got through it as a family because Josh needed us. We just took a deep breath and remembered it wasn't his fault, but there were reasons for the way he was behaving. He's now 21, and we couldn't be prouder of him. Despite his start in life, he did well at school, and he stayed with us for all those years. When he was 18, we converted an outbuilding in our garden, so he had some independence before he was ready to move on. He's now built a life and a future for himself. He has a career and a family of his own, and we're so proud to have played a part in that. Josh will always be part of the family. We're his mum and dad.